Today I will be showing you how to change the tiller drive belt on this Snapper RT8. First you want to get the belt cover off. Then using a 1/2 inch socket, you want to get the idler pulley off. And get the belt off. Here's the size of the belt for anybody wondering. Next up, you want to take off this idler pulley right here. This one is your clutch pulley. Alright, now you can shimmy the belt off of the pulley, the engine pulley. Just turn that disc plate like so, and it'll come just right out. It's a 9/16 for the pulley bolt. Just like so. Your belt is out. And then time to do it in the reverse order. Just want to put the belt in with the pulley. Go ahead and tighten it down. Make sure it spins. Make sure you thread the belt back through the hole. Then you want to install your belt over your pulley, or at least have it ready to go over it on your engine. So now it's back in position. Make sure you align on that bushing in there, or else your tine clutch will lock up, because this needs to be able to pivot back and forth. make sure your tie and clutch is working smoothly. Then just gotta put your cover back on. Well, that's all there is for today. I hope you guys liked the video, and have a good day.